Good day everyone, I am Princess Nabini Orpilia from BPED 2A. This is my reflection in Unit 3, the biological development. Okay, the stages of what we went through until the very cell until we became fetus. The first stage is the zygote or the cell stage, where the formation or the division stage, and then the embryonic stem cells, the formation of the fetus. The stages of development is number one, the prenatal period. There are three phases of prenatal period: development of zygote, development of embryo, and development of fetus. But first, what is zygote? Zygote is one being cell. It divided over and over until it um, became a ball of cells, and that attach itself to the uterus wall, and then releases hormones from menstruation to stop further development has begun, and an embryo is between the period 2 to 8 weeks, where major body parts begin to develop. Then the zygote splits into two parts. One will become embryo, and the other one um, will become the placenta. The placenta is the carrier of the body of entire period of the baby, I should say. And we'll go on to the period of zygote. The period of zygote, the first phase of prenatal development, um, lasting from conception until the developing organism becomes firmly attached to the wall of the uterus. The second phase, the period of embryo, the second period of embryo, the second phase of prenatal development, lasting from third to the eighth prenatal week, during which major organs uh, and anatomical structures take shape. Period of fetus, the third phase of prenatal development, lasting from the ninth prenatal week until birth. During this period, all major organ systems begin to function, and the fetus grow rapidly. There are some potential issues of prenatal development. The first one is the teratogens, any diseases, drugs, or other environmental agent that can be harm a developing embryo or fetus. The second is sensitive period, actually caused by stressful environment. The third is rubella or the German measles, disease that has little effect on pregnant women. Number four is the toxoplasmosis disease, caused by a parasite disease found in raw meat and cat feces. And five is syphilis, a common sexually disease. Birth of body, stage of pregnancy, where mother and the family became the most anxious. Preparing for birth is highly recommended and important. And I realized that we human individuals begin development from the same starting point. All human life begins at conception, when an egg cell from a woman unites with a man's sperm cell. While a humble start, life as a single cell is only the beginning. The cell begins dividing furiously, multiplying itself over and over, crafting the machinery that will become its complete human body. As this brand new human life is about to undergo an amazing transformation in 9 short months. Over the next couple of months, by the time we actually born, into our world. We already experience a little more than 9 dramatic months of life in the world of the womb. At that moment, new life has come into being, new human life. That's all. Thank you.